Welcome back, gardeners. Today, we're turning up the heat with a focus on hot peppers. We'll cover popular varieties like jalapeños, habaneros, and cayennes, exploring their heat levels, culinary uses, and key growing tips to help you cultivate these spicy favorites. First up, jalapeños are a popular choice for their moderate heat and versatility in the kitchen. Next, habaneros pack a serious punch with their intense heat and fruity flavor, making them a favorite for hot sauces. Finally, cayenne peppers offer a fiery kick and are often dried and ground into a spice. Jalapeños have a mild to moderate heat, perfect for salsas and stuffed peppers. Habaneros are much hotter, ideal for spicy sauces and dishes that need a strong kick. Cayennes are great for adding heat to soups, stews, and seasoning blends, thanks to their intense spiciness. Hot peppers thrive in warm, sunny conditions. Plant them in well-drained soil and provide consistent watering. These peppers also benefit from regular feeding with a balanced fertilizer. Keep an eye on their growth. Jalapeños and cayennes can be harvested when green or red, while habaneros are usually picked when fully orange or red. Whether you're a fan of mild heat or blazing spice, hot peppers add excitement to any garden and kitchen. Stay tuned for more gardening tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more advice. Happy planting!